Assalamu Walaikum. Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make all cell same size in Microsoft PowerPoint table. Without further ado, let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop-down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then select this slide and go to Insert menu. Then insert a table. Now resize this table. Now you can see this table all cell are same. You can write anything of this cell. You can see I make all cell are same size. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.